All right, so in this video, I'm going to be explaining a common error that a lot of students are making on the final project. And that part is about the total number of pixels and also creating fractions. So in this project, okay, this was created by a student, all right? This student is using a box is 20 pixels by 36 pixels. So if we want to be able to find the total number of pixels in this image, right, we're basically using the area formula, length times width. So you have to multiply 20 times 36, all right, to get the total number of pixels in this image. So 20 times 36, all right, is 720. So what's important is that you put the total number of pixels in your box, in this green box over here. Okay, then when you are making the fractions, okay, so this person, he already made it as 720. So the total number of pixels here are 720. But the fractions also need to represent that. So if there is red over here, okay, and there's 15 total red, instead of out of 100, okay, it should be out of 720. And then that needs to be simplified from there, okay? So that's a really common error. And then once you have created these fractions and simplified them, then you're going to convert them to decimals by dividing, okay? And so the way that you would divide, so let's say we had 15 over 720, and let's say we had to simplify that. Let's do actually this one, 29 out of 720, because this one we don't have to simplify. Okay, so 29 out of 720. So the way that I would convert that to a decimal would be like this. All right, so the fraction is 29 over 720. So you would do top and bottom out, tie bow. All right, top number goes in, bottom number goes out, decimal goes here, and add a 0, and then start dividing. So 720 won't go into 290, but it will go into 2900. So add a 0, and then go ahead and keep dividing. You don't need to divide to the nearest hundredth, okay, around to the nearest hundredth, and that should be fine, okay? But that's one of the most common errors, so make sure that you've checked that before you turn in your final project.